Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search anything on your macOS or MacBook. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Actually, this tutorial is going to be very helpful for beginners. If you don't know, then it is going to be very efficient for your time saving. Alright, to do that, normally you have to press on your keyboard Command and space button together and it will open Spotlight Search. It is a built-in settings or function on your macOS. Normally search here whatever you want. For example, I want to search an app here. So I'm searching Safari and I'm getting it. On the other hand, if you want to search the file, folder, or even settings, you can get it from this Spotlight search bar. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to search anything on macOS. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.